好，这里有一个这个 GPT-4o 的这个关于教育方面的一个演示。
OpenAI invited myself and my son Imran here to try out some of their new technology. And so we're curious about how good it might be at tutoring someone in math on Khan Academy. So let's get it started. It's loading up. All right, make sure it can see our screen.
Actually, in this format,
hello there. I'm here with my son, and I'd love you to tutor him on this math problem, but don't give him the answer. You can ask questions and nudge him in the right direction, but I really want to make sure he understands it himself. And he's here in the room, so you can talk to him directly.
Of course, I'd be happy to help. Let's look at the problem together. Can you first identify which sides of the triangle are the opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse relative to angle alpha?
All right, so I'm pretty sure this is the angle alpha right here, right?
Perfect. That's correct. Now, looking at the triangle, which side do you think is the hypotenuse?
Really,
Remember the hypotenuse?
I'm not totally sure. I think it might be this one, but I really am not sure. This side AC?
You're close. Actually, side AC is called the adjacent side to the angle alpha. The hypotenuse is the longest side of a right triangle and is directly opposite the right angle. Can you find which one is the hypotenuse?
Oh, okay, I see. So I think the hypotenuse is this really long side from A to B. Would that be correct?
Exactly. Well done. Now that you've identified the hypotenuse, can you identify which side is the opposite side to angle alpha?
Okay, well, I mean, you told me earlier that this was the adjacent side, and I know that's the hypotenuse, so I'm guessing that this side, BC, is the opposite side.
Great deduction. That's absolutely correct. Now that you've identified all the sides relative to angle alpha, do you remember the formula for finding the sine of an angle in a right triangle?
Yeah, I know that the sine is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse.
Perfect. That's absolutely right. Now, can you apply that formula to find sine alpha in the triangle using the lengths of the sides that we've identified?
Okay, so, I mean, you told me that 7, this side BC, is the opposite side. And then you said that the hypotenuse is the longest side, so that would be this side AB, which is 25. So would the answer be 7 over 25?
Excellent work. That's correct. Sine alpha equals 7 over 25. You did a great job identifying the sides and using the sine formula. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.
好，他是刚才是一个用 ChatGPT-4o 来教学生来懂得一个数学的问题的一个实例啊。也就是说，你看的人工智能现在目前能够做的事情，就是说它已经达到了像一个老师一样的而且非常详细的来辅导一个小孩子来懂得一个数学的问题。刚才这个实例里面。我们看到的这个屏幕上有些，因为它是实时的翻译，也许有一些不是很准确的翻译。那刚才这个人工智能那个 ChatGPT-4o 来指导一个初中生吧，懂得一个数学里面的 sin 的那个概念。他刚才为了讲这个概念之后，那个小孩先找了个角小孩就找到那个角，找对了，然后再让他去找那个斜边是哪个边，结果这个小孩子找错了，他把那旁边那个边他当做斜边，这个 ChatGPT 就马上给他指出这个错误。就提示他什么是斜边。好，这小孩就找到斜边，找到斜边以后，然后再指导他 sin 是怎么回事，一边是对边除以这个斜边嘛，是吧？然后还指导他计算出结果，就这么一个演示的过程，完全的就像这一个人在辅导这个学生，是吧？你看他已经做到了非常详细，而且非常有耐性，这个就有点像请了一个家教来。一对一的给你辅导，而且还非常详细的按照步骤给你讲解一个数学的问题。这就是说在一定程度上 应该是可以取代那些辅导老师要做的工作，是吧？至少你可以帮助家长来辅导小孩了，做得非常有条理的给小孩讲这个一个数学概念，是吧？有的时候家长都做不到了，